So I have weeded out all the pieces I don't want, and I'm taking my transfer tape and I'm going to attach it to the design here. So just along the top there, and then peel down. And I'm rubbing along the design itself. And then I want to pick up the whole thing, rub down again on the back. And then I'm going to, because this piece is so large, I'm going to trim it down, just my transfer paper. Okay, just get that out of the way. All right, and so now I want to place my design onto the nightlight. And so I just want to look here how I want to place it and how much space I want around it. Okay, so that's giving me an idea of about 1/8 of an inch on all sides. So the next thing to do here is to peel away the backing and get the design to stay put. All right, so there we have it. So now all I need to do is place this onto my nightlight. Now I'm just gently placing it so that I know I am centering it well. Okay, I think that looks good, so I am just going to press it down. And then peel away my transfer tape. And there we have it. And I will take it and plug it in and show you what it looks like lit up as well.